Hi friends, welcome to the E for Engineer. Today we will learn how to make a square line follower robot. For this simple project, just we need a few components like small tires, batteries and chassis board. All these components you can purchase from the given below link. Just click on that link and purchase all these components. After purchasing, just arrange them like a car just by seeing this video. Now just see here, it is a L293D motor driver which is used to provide the required current to drive the motors, because Arduino board can't provide the required current to drive the motors. So that's why for the current amplification purpose we used this L293D motor driver. As per the circuit diagram, I soldered this motor driver onto the PCB, or otherwise just you can place it on the breadboard and you can give the connections to the motors and the as well as Arduino board. Now open your downloaded program. Here we can find these pins are assigned for the motor A and these pins are assigned for the motor B. Here in this wide setup, I given all these pins as output. In this wide loop, if you find here, this motor pin 1 and motor pin 2 represents motor A and motor pin 3 and motor pin 4 represents motor B. Here in this mode, I given motor A and motor B as high. In this mode, they will move forward. After 3 seconds delay, I given again this motor A as high and motor B as low. And after this will immediately move to clockwise direction. Motor B is off, so that's why it will move clockwise direction. After 1 second, it will repeat the same as above section, like it will move forward for the 3 seconds, and after that it will take 1 second for the clockwise direction. Like this, it is in the loop section, so that's why it will loop again and again. Like this, it will follow the square line. Here it is the simple. We can learn anything, we can make corrections also in this program. Now just we have to upload the program to our Arduino board. Just click on this upload button. Like this, it is very simple. Anyone can modify the program also. After successfully uploading the program, now just observe the output. Our small robot is following the square line. Like this, you can make yourself. For more updates, please subscribe E for Engineer.